Tomorrow, March 15th, 2024, starts the official launch of the Self-Sufficient Living Bundle. Now, I know a lot of you all have been waiting on my cookbook, and that is just one reason why I am so excited to be a part of this Self-Sufficient Living Bundle. But before I get into more about my cookbook and the Self-Sufficient Living Bundle, if you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And for my channel members, thank you so much. If you are not subscribed to the channel, take a second and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that notification bell so you won't miss anything. Okay, so what is this Self-Sufficient Living Bundle? This is a bundle that's been curated by specialists in just about every category that has to do with self-sufficiency and just self-sufficient living. In this bundle, there are over 118 ebooks, guides, resources, courses. It's amazing. And guess what? My limited edition cooking ebook is in this bundle. It's full of scratch recipes, tips, tricks, and hacks. This bundle is covering every aspect of life. You have things like self-reliance, self-sufficiency on your own terms, regenerative practices and gardening design, raising animals, farm animals, chickens, goats, sheep, dogs, and even bees. Both traditional and modern food preservation techniques, including water bath and pressure canning. In this bundle, you even have things like how to protect yourself from things like 5G, Wi-Fi, and EMF, which is electromotive force. And why you need to hardwire your home internet, diversifying incomes. And if you have land or you're on digital platforms like this, or you have rental property, how to diversify your streams of income. There are things in here about constructions, everything from chicken coops to solar systems, urban gardening projects, mini homesteads, cleaning and personal care products. You've got things in this bundle about herbalism, health and pain, how to make your own first aid kit, survival skills, emergency readiness, wilderness adaptation, just everything imaginable for self-sufficiency, natural beauty routines, plant-based skincare, things like that, home births, and just living harmoniously with nature and each other in off-grid communities. There's crafts and hobby information in this Self-Sufficient Living Bundle. It is absolutely amazing. As I mentioned before, the launch for this Self-Sufficient Bundle starts tomorrow, March 15th at 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, this bundle is only going to be available for 10 days. 10 days, I'm telling you now. March 24th at 11:59 p.m. That's it. If you do not have your bundle by then, you will not get it and you will miss out. There are over 118 by different creators, by different writers, by different people. These ebooks, courses, and guides are coming from some of the best and the best of the best in the fields. And my ebook is in there too. So I am ecstatic. Now, if you were to buy these ebooks, guides, and courses separately, individually, one by one, you'd spend well over $5,900, probably $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 if you really break it down. But for 10 days only, This is an investment. I mean, I'm sorry, y'all. This is an investment. Okay? Because with this resource, do you realize if something happens like the internet goes down or anything were to happen, you have this in writing. You can print each and every one of these, and it will guide you to continue to live self-sufficiently. And it's only $50. $50. That's it. And you get everything. But it's a one-time 10-day deal. Okay? That's why we can afford to pretty much give it away for $50. Because we've got it down to 10 days. And that's it. Any longer, we wouldn't be able to do it. So it's 10 days only. And I'm telling you, if at all possible, you want to get it in the beginning. You don't want to wait till the 10th day and the 10th hour because, well, you have to buy it on the internet. And if the internet goes down, if you lose connection, if anything happens where you do not get to purchase it, just say you're out and you run late coming home and it's after midnight, it's over. It is over. I would not wait. Until day 10 or day 9 or day 8 or day 7. Get it while you can, people. I am telling you, the resources in this bundle is something that I will cherish and have for the rest of my life. This is something that I will print multiple copies of so that I can put them safely away. It has that much information in it, and the impact of the information is that good. I'm telling you, I would not be a part of it if it was not. I wouldn't, because I wouldn't put my name out there if it was something that I didn't believe in. It just wouldn't happen. So again, I'm going to reiterate. Now, I will have the link for you all to get your self-sufficient living bundle in the pinned comment, in the description. And it will be on every platform's bio. Okay? So if you see this on IG, go to my bio, it's there. Any platform that I can pin it in a comment or put it in the comment, I will place it there too. TikTok, it'll be in my bio. YouTube is going to be in my bio and the pinned comment of this video. Okay? I promise you, we are not extending this, okay? I promise you. This is a lifetime one-shot deal. Okay, you either get it or you don't. You either have it or you miss out. And I'm telling you, if you just want to have, like on my gardening channel, I have been doing a medicinal herb series. It's got all kind of information in there about that. Okay, if you just want to make your own home remedies, it's all kind of information in there. If you want to build a chicken coop, if you want to construct your solar system, okay? Like I said, if you want to protect yourself from Wi-Fi and 5G, it's in there. This is so that you can live self-sufficiently. March 15th, tomorrow morning at 6 a.m., this launches. You will be able to go to the link and purchase your bundle for an immediate download. So you don't have to wait for anything to come in the mail. It's immediate download. But it ends March 24th, 11:59 p.m. Okay? I hope you all don't miss out on this deal. It is amazing. A one-time $50 just for you all. That's a 99% savings. And I will see you all next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Bye-bye.